So over here you can see that I got an object, and if I were to press tab, you can see that the object has been divided up into many pieces. So there's a lot of faces right here for this object. So this is detailed at some level. But if I want to smoothen this out, so I press tab again, and you can see that I'm in my normal mode. And if I want to smooth this out, what I can do is I can press Ctrl 1 on my keyboard, and you can see that it smoothens out a bit, just like this. If I were to press Ctrl 2, it smoothens out further, and if I were to press Ctrl 3, it smoothens out further. If I were to go around here onto level, I can increase the level right here, and you can see that it smoothens out even further, and now it looks like a smooth rock. But what you have to be careful about while you're smoothing is not to smoothen it out too much. Because once you smoothen it out too much, your processor might not be able to handle it out and the application might crash. So I can press Ctrl 2 right here, 3 right here, 4. I don't want to go much more than that because it freezes afterwards. So just like that, you can smoothen those things out. If I were to go around into, let's say for example, I'm going to go and press Ctrl 3 so it smoothens out. And if I were to press tab on my keyboard, if I were to select this, what happens is that I can push and pull this out, and you can see that the adjustment made to the object is pretty smooth. So if I were to go around over here, click just like this and click and drag this out, you can see that the adjustment is very smooth. Similarly, I can go around over here and click and drag this out, and you can see that it is very smooth right there. And if I were to click right here, you can see that it smoothens out just like that. And that is how you can apply smooth feature inside of Blender, and then smoothen out the objects that you actually go around and then model. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.